My favorite professor.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
What are you doing?
I'm recording you on my blog.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
What is that you have?
This is a basket and a wagon.
For what?
I did an Easter egg hunt in front of the MSC. I had like over 700 eggs.
You put them out already?
Yes, and they're all gone already.
How do people know?
I don't know, they started picking it up and then they see money was in there and then they went crazy.
You put money in?
Yeah.
What mine?
Well. Hey y'all, my name is Sochima, aka Chime. I am a senior business marketing major here at PV. This video is about something new that I wanted to do at PV. I basically wanted to have an Easter egg hunt. This is something that I've never seen done at PV since I've been here. And I just wanted to do something different. So tomorrow at Hump Day, if you see an egg, if I were you, I would open it. We have lots of prizes that are going in there. We're definitely gonna be giving over $500, over $700 tomorrow. And if you find a red ticket, go ahead and flip that bad boy over and see the instructions on the back to win even more money. Oh shit. I found a wagon and I put Easter eggs in it. I'm finna go drop these eggs everywhere. Like literally everywhere.
What you get, man? I got $1. I got $1. I got $1.
Call me a baby, man. I got 6 cents.
Y'all not even gonna let them make it to Hump Day? Y'all just gonna look for all the dollars? Yeah. Dang.
Sorry. Are we allowed to pick them up?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I'm gonna put it back in the way.
Just because I'm going to class. Well, I have a meeting with my professor, so I'm gonna meet with him and then go to class. For everybody that's coming to PV in the future, Kennebrew is like one of the best professors ever, but don't come to his class thinking that you're not late or thinking that you're not gonna have to put some work in.
There you go.
I made these.
Good job.
Thanks.
Look at you being all creative and food.
Yeah, if y'all want to know how I make these jeans, I have a video and I'll link that down below. Yeah. Kennebrew, you see how I'm sweating? You see how these kids got me sweating?
She just finished the Easter egg hunt, gave away money.
I'm sorry, I put it on social media. Alright, I'm gonna see you later.
Alright,
have a good day. Bye, y'all. Y'all are just not understanding. I put out like 700 eggs, 800, 900 eggs, okay? 48 times 14. Okay? 48 times 14, that's how many eggs I had. This is literally the only part that still got like decent eggs over here. It's times like this where I wish those golf carts, like somebody would just drive by and be like, hop in, I'll take you wherever. Or like if I had my own golf cart on campus, that'd be clutch. Let's go. No. Okay.